Hey, thanks for coming back, guys. So, doing some updating around the house here, replacing those with these much more modern looking lights. So we get one right there, and I'll show you them turned on. This is a dimmer switch. These will, on this type of switch, they'll dim down to about right there, which it's not really picking it up as well. There, if I do it quick, it will. So it dims down pretty low on this particular dimmer switch, but this could vary depending on what dimmer switch you have, what brand. But these are a much more modern alternative to the globe lights, and you can see, unlike recessed lights, they fit right up against the junction box. So I'm not having to get up in the attic, do a bunch of rewiring, and installing the junction box, hammer it into place, and all that other crap. But these fit right up against the junction box. You can see down here. I'll just kind of show you what's on the box here. Give you an idea what you're looking for, and you're looking for that keyword right there, surface mount downlight, and you should get something similar to what this is. I'll put a link in the description to this actual light. Yeah. And we went with the more kind of yellowish tint to match the rest of the house. So if you would please, guys, like and subscribe to my channel. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Helps motivate me to make more videos like this, and I appreciate you watching. Let me know down in the description if you have any questions, and don't forget to look for the link to this light down in the description. Have a good day, guys.